Need crypto instantly? Buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies directly on BingX using your credit or debit card. Simply log in to your BingX account and tap on Quick Buy. Choose from more than 20 supported fiat currencies, then select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount and tap Buy Now. Next, choose credit or debit card as your payment method and tap Add Card. Follow the instructions to complete account verification. Once verified, enter your card details, check the confirmation box, and tap Pay. Please note that a temporary $1 charge may be deducted for card verification and will usually be refunded within 1 to 3 business days. After that, complete the 3D secure verification process and tap Submit. Once your card is successfully linked, it will appear as a saved payment option. For future purchases, simply select your card on the payment page, enter your CVV, confirm the amount, and tap Confirm. Complete the 3D secure verification again and submit your payment. Your transaction will process within seconds, although network conditions may occasionally cause slight delays before the crypto appears in your account. To check your purchase status, go to Quick Buy and tap the history icon to view your order details. Buy crypto quickly and securely with your credit or debit card and start trading on BingX today.